Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting devices ready. Open the Airconsole app on your phone and the website on the TV or PC. Connect both to the same Wi-Fi or use one device as a hotspot. This ensures low latency. Once done, look at the screen for the 4-digit room code and enter it on your phone. Make sure to sign in or create a free account so your settings and saves sync across sessions. This simplifies rejoining and keeps controllers paired correctly. You pick a game from the Airconsole library and confirm the player limit and required controller features. Once the game loads, join by entering the room code on your phone and tapping the controller icon, then claim an open player slot. If the game uses tilt, touchpad, or virtual buttons, calibrate sensitivity in the settings so inputs feel natural. Why do this? Because proper assignment and calibration reduce input lag and misfires, making gameplay smoother and more competitive for everyone. You wrap up by exiting the game menu and choosing End Session or Leave. This frees controller slots for others. If a connection drops, first restart the Airconsole app on your phone and reload the web client, then rejoin with the same room code. Make sure both devices have stable Wi-Fi and update the app and browser regularly for compatibility. If problems persist, clear the browser cache or switch to a 5 GHz network. This often fixes lag, stuck buttons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.